All right, take our napkin and put the right side down, face down. We're gonna do a rose. And to do our rose, we're going to fold it up into a triangle. Excuse me. To a triangle. And our long end or long side, we're gonna fold that up maybe about that tall, let's see, almost to your knuckles. Fold it once, fold it twice, fold it 3 times, and let's fold this one more time. One more time. Okay? Well, maybe I should fold it back one more because I want this is going to be my leaves and I want to have enough for my leaves. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take the end and start folding it in. Just folded it in towards our point. This fold is going to be as tight as I can get it. And bring it all the way in so it's not to the center of it, but maybe just outside of the triangle. Just the tip of the triangle. The other end of my napkin I will take and roll it around what I just folded. It's not going to be tight. This doesn't have to be tight. Just that part that I folded first. That has to be tight because that's my bud. I'm going to keep wrapping this around until we get to a point where we can take our end and tuck it into a fold. And that's going to secure our end so that our end will not come out and our rose will not come apart. All right, so these tips, I'm going to take these tips, separate these tips. Like I told you before, this is going to be our leaf or leaves. We'll fold them down, fold them down. Turn it over, and we're going to take the outside of this rosebud, this rose, and push it down. And that creates our rosebud. We're going to use the same napkin and create our bud, just a bud. So we're going to turn it in a triangle shape, and instead of folding it over, we're going to fold one of the ends over about 4 inches, and we're going to fold it again. And we're going to keep folding this all the way up to the top edge of our napkin. Keep folding it up. Good, now that's perfect. We're going to take one end of our napkin, the left or the right, which on the one you choose to do, and take it and fold it in. As this is a bud, a rose bud, so we want to make it kind of tight. And make sure we're folding and rolling it all the way. Pull it over this way and roll it towards us. As with the other one, we'll take our edge and tuck it under a fold. There we go. Now on the rosebud, Sometimes a lot of people pull theirs out. I like to press it from the bottom and create the bud. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you have not done so, please do so now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm on with a new video. Thank you again and have a blessed day.